Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we have a special guest, Param, with us to join on this new series called Walking with She Walkin. Keep walking with She Walkin. And Param is from Punjab.
Exactly.
And he is an actor in Mumbai. So let's walk and get to know about his journey. And let's do this.
Yeah, let's do this.
Okay, Param. So tell me something about yourself.
Okay, so as you know, my name is Param. So I'll tell you my full name. It's Paramveer Singh Sekha. I'm an actor by profession. I'm currently based in Mumbai. I hail from Punjab. I was born in UP and I've lived in a farm. I was born in a farm. I've studied in a hostel. I've studied in a different city. I've traveled to a lot of places, which is helping me in my profession as well. Exploring my own country, exploring my culture, different lingos, different cultures, always helps. As I'm in Delhi as of now, I visited my friends and she's one of my friends and I'm her first person to introduce. So it's a privilege. And as for me, I think the people who know me, they know me, but the people who don't know me, I want to tell you that I'm a fun-loving guy. I'm a chill person. I love to laugh, love to play. I'm a child basically in a mature body, as you can see. Yeah, this is me.
That's you?
Yeah, that's me.
Alright, let's continue walking.
Yeah, that's
So right now we are in Khas village and this place has been the hub of parties and cafes and pubs for a very long time. It used to boom in its own time maybe 3-4 years ago, but like now it's kind of not as it's not the hub anymore, but it's still pretty cool. So let's keep walking. So Param, tell me how your journey has been in Mumbai. Like, when you got there, what are the challenges you faced? How do you like the city? And just tell me about your experience in Mumbai.
right. So the first time when I visited Mumbai, actually it was my first time when I shifted to Mumbai. So in a way I was totally stranger to the new place. As a city, we call it the financial capital and there are a lot of reasons behind it. First of all, the population, the way it gives so much to the country in terms of money, in terms of number, and being part of the entertainment industry, I would say that it gives a lot of things to the people all over India, not just the city. My experience in the city for the first, I would say, 6 months or I would say a full year, I had to figure it out.
Right.
I just had to figure it out on my own. Everyone is on its own, and the people who are born there, like any other states, they're different. I used to find them different. The behavior, the dealing, the way they deal with people, the way they interact, the morals, totally different than what I was given by my family. So those were not challenges, I would say, but I had to merge in with the crowd. I had to be like, okay, this is something new for me, and how I need to figure this out in the city, how I need to be professionally figuring things out in the city. And and the biggest challenge, I would say, for me was to actually make friends, like my people.
Right.
Because in a city like that, people say that Mumbai, people don't judge you, but people do judge. It's the basic human tendency. You say that we don't judge people, but that is when we are judging people by saying that we don't judge people.
Correct.
Right. And so in that city as well, people judge. They judge you from where you come from. They judge you from what you're doing. They judge you on the basis of, okay, this is how you behave. You're too loud. Okay, Punjabi, you this, you that. So everybody has their already made preconceptions about a person who comes from a certain background, who comes from a certain space. For example, I come from Punjab, so they were like, okay, you speak very good English. I was like, yes, I'm educated. My parents sent me to good school, so I can speak good English. They were like, no, we thought the Punjabis, so you don't drink. So I'm not a good drinker as of such. They're like, Punjabis to bahut daru peete. I'm like, yeah, but I don't drink.
Right.
And they're like, okay, tum to bahut loud ho. I'm like, yeah, I have that voice texture. So I had to somehow in the starting, I had to be like, okay, this is me, but I don't want to be me. To merge in the crowd, I have to be like them. To be like sweet talker, soft spoken, and always nice. But I can't be always nice. I'm a human.
Correct.
And secondly, I'm a child.
Right.
So I can't be always nice. I'll be rude, I'll be blunt, I'll be nice, I'll be sweet, I'll be emotional, but at times I won't be emotional. You know, I have different shades. Everyone has a different shade. And I think, yeah, that was it. But finally, you know, it's been, I would say, more than 2.5 years now. I have my set of people. I have my friends. I have my professional friends. I have friends who are just friends, who I love to spend time with, whom I can relate to, as in, you know, that okay, they understand me in a certain way. I can talk about certain things with them. I don't have to keep a filter. There's no filter. So I like friends with no filter. Yeah.
All right. Khas has its own vibe, right?
Oscar has its own vibe. And now already, like it's 12:30 in the afternoon, and you know it's too hot. Delhi ki garmi.
Delhi ki garmi.
Everybody knows Delhi ki garmi.
Absolutely. And it's
like
only
it's
what?
people.
It's March only, no?
Yeah, it's end of March. We are on 30th of March today, and it's too hot. But yeah, people are enjoying the vibe. They're in the summer wears, and chill pill chal raha hai. We can see two beautiful ladies in front of us. They're walking, they're chilling around, and yeah, I think the city is booming. They're enjoying its summer after a cold winter.
Really cold winter.
Yeah, really cold winter.
Okay. So Param, I'm going to show you something like a really cool hidden spot
Okay.
of Khas.
Oh, nice.
And so have you seen that film Tamasha? No, it was Tamasha only, no?
It was Tamasha,
Yeah. So Tamasha
Tamasha and Rockstar.
and Rockstar as
There are
well.
two films that, that
Yeah.
has been shot here. I think Tamasha was shot somewhere near Social.
Yes.
You know, I haven't
This was-
been to this place.
That's the
Yeah,
social.
Yeah. And I've never been to that area, but I
Huh.
knew. I love movies.
Right.
Part of the industry, I had
Right.
to.
You have
know,
to.
until and unless then it would be like unjustified for me.
Absolutely.
And then Rockstar was one which was shot in the fort area.
In the
I
fort,
guess.
yeah.
And, yeah, beautiful movies. By a very talented and beautiful cast. Amazing director. Imtiaz Ali, my favorite.
Yes.
I'm not joking because I'm in this area, but specifically, I'm
Imtiaz.
looking forward to the movie Chamkila as of now. You know, wonderful concert. And
What's
I'm
the cast of Chamkila?
Diljit Dosanjh is in it, and Parneeti Chopra is playing opposite her in the female lead. And apart from them, I think there are many regional actors of Punjab. So it's a story about a singer, Amarjeet Singh Chamkila, very renowned singer in Punjab, and now I think he'll be more renowned in all
After
over
the
India.
film,
Yeah, after
right.
the film, because for me, I knew him, you know, from my background and the kind of music he used to be. We all boys used to listen to that, you know, enjoy that music.
Right.
But now I think the people will enjoy that too after the release of the film.
Absolutely. For example, I don't know about him. So, you know,
You will surely love that movie.
I would.
Because it's been made by a wonderful director.
Correct.
And I think he would have surely justified the person. You know?
Imtiaz does.
Imtiaz Ali, yeah, wonderful director.
Yeah.
Wonderful director. A storyteller, I would say.
Great storyteller.
Great storyteller.
So, see, this street is pretty cool, no?
It is. I think there is something happening in this area. People are actually
Doing
up.
something, na?
Yes.
Now I'm gonna show you something cool. Where was that spot? यार कहाँ था वो? आगे था क्या?
ढूंढते हैं.
ढूंढते हैं.
So shoot is happening. We were talking about it and we are in the area.
Yes.
It's a print shoot that you did? It's a docu-reality series we're shooting. Docu-reality series? About in this place or some specific?
About my life.
What?
Cool.
I'm sorry, like are you some known personality? Like are you recognized?
I am Miss Trans Queen India 2021.
Very nice. Congratulations. Congratulations. Okay, so
Cool.
they're doing the documentary series on you. Very nice, very nice.
That's my director.
Very nice. Hello, sir. How are you? I'm back to myself. Yeah, we're actually doing a vlog here. Wonderful. Best of luck.
Good stuff.
Yeah.
यार आई वंडर वेयर डिड दैट स्पॉट गो. इन भैया से पूछ, भैया यहाँ पर जो दीवार पे आर्टवर्क वाला जगह था वो कहाँ गया?
इसी लेन में आप सीधे चले जाइए, दूसरी राइट हैंड साइड पे गली आएगी ना.
हाँ.
सोशल के पास है. सोशल से पहले की बाद में
सोशल से पहले जो गली जा रही है.
अच्छा अच्छा, हाँ, जहाँ रुक गए थे. Oh, there's a mirror. Hello.
Hello, mirror.
Hello, mirror. Mirror,
Looking
mirror
good.
on the wall.
Yes.
Looking good. So Param, I have one question.
Yes.
What's your favorite thing about Mumbai?
Favorite thing about Mumbai?
Take the mic.
I would say garbage bag wala le le, black wala. A lot of favorite things about Mumbai though.
हाँ, ये वाली गली बोली है.
The most favorite is beaches.
The beach.
sea,
Oh my
the sea,
God.
That is
Yes.
my, because there are a lot of people here. Everybody is running.
Right.
Now I feel why they're running. That city makes you run.
Correct.
It's a very ambitious city.
Right.
It makes you feel very ambitious. I was not an ambitious person. I was a passionate person about my work.
Right.
I was just a passionate person, but a slow passionate person. Relax, breathe, and do your work. Be happy. Relax. But that city actually made me very ambitious. I was like, no, I have to run. Till the time I have that energy of the youthness,
Of Mumbai, the energy of Mumbai.
Yeah, it makes you run, and everyone is running. So you feel like more running. You're like, okay,
Right.
let's run.
I'll also run.
Yeah, I'll also run. And the beach is one spot that is something that gives me okay, breathe. Relax.
The breather. Okay,
and-
so this is the spot. Ta-da!
Oh,
The
nice.
tamasha spot.
Oh yes. I think they have
They have cleaned it.
They've
Like,
cleaned it and they have actually repainted this side.
Haan.
Tamasha, it was a different.
maybe they've added some artworks.
It's a cafe.
It's a cafe now.
It's a cafe now.
Ah. Okay, Param. So on this spot, I am going to ask you if you can play a little character for us, like maybe for 30 seconds or something. Like if you can do something, the lighting.
Character.
Huh. I'll give you the mic.
Right. So I'll just remove this sunglasses
Huh.
so that you can see my eyes.
Absolutely. You can actually clip the mic, so if you would like to use your hands or something.
Yeah, I'll try clipping that.
Okay. I'm going to check the light. Should I say action?
I can give me a scene, give me a situation, give me something to play around. I'm actually getting a lot of ideas, so I have to choose one. Give me one.
Okay.
I'll make my choice easy.
All right. So you've come to Delhi for the very first time.
Okay.
Maybe I should add a little bit more information, or that's enough for you.
Then I won't have the lines. You can just see my expressions then. I'll play with my expressions.
All right.
My first time in Delhi. Maybe the first time in Hauz Khas. Ah.
Hi.
Hi, buddy. How are you? Ah. What? No face. Share. Ah. Dogs love me. Even the imaginary ones. They just love me. And I love them too. I'm an animal lover. क्या कह सकते हैं? चलो. Yes. जाओ. चलो. Bye. हाँ, बाय. कुत्ता बना लेता हूँ एक. सही है वो, ठीक लग, वो वाली चीज सही है.
So we are going to continue walking because we have to go on the main street anyway.
मैंने तो ये मांगा था
So Param, since we're walking, I am going to ask you like a rapid fire something, okay? So I'll say a word and then whatever comes to your mind, you just
Just pop it out.
yeah. Cinema,
Love.
sky,
Blue.
monsoon,
Rains.
Bombay,
Home.
Punjab,
Janam Bhumi.
North Indian food,
Delicious.
a location in the west where you would like to go.
Location in the west, as in the west of the world or the west of India?
The west of the world.
The west of the world. Yeah, I've always been, fantasized about a place, Amsterdam.
Amsterdam.
I wanted to go there. I have heard a lot of stories of Amsterdam. It's a fun place though.
Right.
But I've never been there. So, yeah, hope so. Because of work, then lovely. नहीं तो pleasure तो कर ही लेंगे.
कर ही लेंगे. Okay. So thank you Param for
Yes.
this video, for this walk.
Thank you so much.
Best wishes to you, and let's keep walking with She Walkin.
Yes, keep walking with She Walking. Love the energy. It was wonderful. It was my privilege being the first member for this vlog. And she's a wonderful friend. More than she's a wonderful vlogger.
Thank you.
Do watch it.
Thank you. Bye.